not a question, it's just more clarification for the manufacturing plan. I appreciate very much the very elaborate plan for the manufacturing sectors, and I also appreciate the statement that one of the sectoral work that you are doing is evaluating, assessing the project, and so that's basically my point of clarification, because we are a country of having good plans, and sometimes when we sense that the plan doesn't work, we just replace it with a new one without learning anything from them. So I am an advocate for plan hard, we learn hard from our failures. So I would like some elaboration on what's the plan of, this is a very important initiative of government, and how are we going to know that the plan is working or is not working, so why is not working? So basically those kinds of questions, answering these kinds of questions would be very important for an initiative such as this.